Hey folks, Sam Jackson here again. We're checking in on the overseeding that we've done. It's been about 4 weeks now, and I've been making weekly videos, keeping track of the progress. So let me turn the camera around. And again, as a reminder, this left side is our full service overseeding. The right side is an aeration and seed only. We can start to see, here's a great example of why we don't recommend doing this service in the spring. This example that I'm doing, of course, is just to kind of show the progress of the process. But again, we're already starting to see lots of different weeds. It's probably hard to tell. We got some crabgrass all throughout. All that light yellow tall stuff is a bunch of nutsedge, and unfortunately, with this young grass, we don't want to stress this young grass by putting weed killer on the grass. So you just kind of have to let the weeds grow in at the same time as the grass is growing in, if you're planting seed in the spring anyway. In the fall, there's way less weed seeds being distributed, just in the environment, and that are going to take root. So we see a way lower incidence of weeds developing in the seeded areas when we seed in the fall. But other than that, and turn this camera around again, other than that, it's looking pretty good. It's coming in well. This is probably just about tall enough to where it can have can stand its first mow. So probably in the next few days here, I'll mow it for the first time. We're going to mow it at about 3 inches, and that will also help it kind of start to mature and thicken up a little bit more. But it's already looking great so far. So that's it. That's the update, and I'll have another update for everybody next week. Hope everyone's enjoying this wonderful weather that we're having, and hope you're learning something new from these videos and enjoying the videos. So take care, and we'll have another video soon. Thanks. Bye.